Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Nerchuko YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL API, so which is a native view of Cosmos DB. So sign into your Azure Portal and then search for Azure Cosmos DB here on the top. Azure Cosmos DB, here it is. So now click on create. So in Azure Cosmos DB, we have several API flavors where we can choose any of this one. For example, NoSQL API, which is a similar kind of SQL syntax-based APIs, which was very native to Cosmos DB. And some other APIs include MongoDB and Apache Cassandra, Gremlin, Table, and then PostgreSQL. So for this video, I will be showing about NoSQL API creation part. So just click on create. So in this basic step, we will fill out the information such as name and workload type of the Cosmos DB. So select, as we are creating for a demo, choose learning, and then the resource group, I can choose one. I'm choosing my resource group as Azure demo, and then account name, I will say give it simple as demo Cosmos 98. So remove the caps. So this is my account name, and then I'm disabling keeping as it is the by default values, and then region I will choose South India. Here it is, Asia Pacific South India is my location, and then capacity mode I will choose for serverless, and then click on next distribution. So leave it as it is. These are related to the redundancy and multi-region rights, which is useful for uh, um, creating Cosmos DB across multiple regions. And then networking, I leave it as by default all networks. And then backup policy, I'm choosing periodic. And then this is my backup interval. I'm leaving it as it is default. And then go to security. So this is important part. So normally how we can connect to Cosmos DB is using either like a key based authentication, or we can use Microsoft Entra based authentication using managed identities or service principals. So if you want to disable the key based authentication, where we will use our account key to authenticate your Cosmos DB account, so we can disable it from here. So let's keep it as simple, just enable, and then data encryption. So we will be delegating this part with our service manager key, which is managed by Microsoft, and then go to tags and then review and create. So this is about how we can create a Cosmos DB account. So validation success, and then you can check the overview, whatever the basic tab information, backup policy, security, networking. So every details are available here. You can check it before proceeding to create. So once you are good, and then click on create. Now as you can see on my screen that the resource is deployed successfully. So you can see, go to the resource group button, just click on it. So it will show you the resource. So this is my demo account of Cosmos DB for NoSQL API, which was created just now. And now you can see the status of it's online and the read location, write location. Currently I configured for only one region, and then my URI and my capacity mode. So this is all the basic information that once you created the account, we can see all this information. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.